Members of the Council of Chiefs, members of the delegation, the Chairman of Council, and Honorable I swipe brother and major one part of Degema. I'm happy reception from you, my husband, and I know that you just in that tradition and that presenting use of the solutions with the gym. But let me change the tradition that tradition is tradition. I would like them to go to the life anywhere. We always bring good on the team. But again, what's important, tradition I was present and drinking. So thank you for giving us the opportunity to talk to them and also come to their palace. In fact, like this, it's like Asian house, which here tied to the kids. You know, so on behalf of my team, I want to say Happy New Year and continue to pray and support Mr. President. Thank you and God bless.
Your Excellency, my friend and brother, and all the familiar faces that are in their delegation there, I welcome all of you. Distinguished was my neighbor at Mbono Street. Our houses were almost opposite. Before he went to the House of Rep, he went to the Senate and so on. And several others that are here. I welcome you to my house. I would have wished that we would have come to Kalawari, but that might not be possible now. But it's by the grace of God in the few time from now in future, we'll come to Kalawari, because the Trans-Kalawari Road is just less than 20 minutes from Kalawari. And going down to Kalawari to Foko, it's going to open another door for the economic well-being of the country and the economic well-being of River State. Because Kalawari, River State is blessed. Kalawari, Yorokoto, and so on. Foko, they have natural beach. And today we're talking of blue economy, we're talking of tourism. And I think a lot, these roads, if roads go with vessels, I'll find more than 100 vessels of different nationality taking our fishes away. Indian vessels, vessels from China, Russia, different countries, Greece. I don't know who collects the revenue from these vessels, but they are there every day. They don't even have anchorage within our territory. So they are just taking our feet away, no anchorage. And now there is this sand, this rare head. You go now, people are mining rare head at Elemifoko, at Abise, with vessels. And we don't know where these vessels come from, who authorized them to be mining these rare heads. So a lot of revenues that ought to accrue to the state are not accruing to the state. And I think that we should look at these things very well, because it will multiply the revenue accruing to Rivers State. Once these roads are done, for me, if you take a road to Buguma, a road to Abonima, people will drive to Abonima and Buguma. For over 20 years, people have been driving to Buguma and Abonima for over 20 years. But it has not brought any economic benefit. It has not changed anything. It has not had any economic effect on the people. When government invests, there should be a return on investment. Government should invest to get a return on